Hello YouTubers, welcome to another episode of Moho tutorial, and today we have got a very short video to show you how to lock your bones. Okay, I've locked mine, but I can show you any other bone from my character. Before I show you how to lock your bones or your character's bone, then please subscribe and you don't miss another tutorial again. Okay, so what do I mean by locking bones? So we've got here our character. Let's say that we are doing the head turn. So you can see this is the turn. Character has turned. Okay. Once the character turns, this bone just reaches here. It doesn't go more. And then it doesn't go clockwise as well because we did lock this bone. Okay. Similar to this, the wing, it only, okay, so first let's go back here. It only goes up to here and it doesn't go the other side. Okay, so how do we do that? Because if we don't lock that, and especially when you do the head turn or the body turn, then you might mess about with your character. Okay, so let's take another example. I'm going to use this bone. Okay, this bone, if I manipulate, it goes around like this. I don't want this to go around here, so I need this bone just to reach here, because if it reaches up here, you can see it does destroy my character slightly. You can see from here. So I don't want this to reach here. I want it just reaching here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to bone, select bone. It's already selected here, and go to bone constraint and then angle constraint. So these are the values of these angles, that angles and that angle. It's a minus 70 and 70 degrees here. Okay, so I don't want this to go more higher. Then I can reduce it, let's say 55. I'm just gonna check 55 is okay, and I'm going to manipulate now. If I manipulate, the bone reaches here, and this is how I lock the bone. Okay, if I want this not to go over, okay, so you can see this only reaches here. Okay, the same things for this. So this one goes around. We don't want that. We want this just to reach here. Okay, in that situation, I can go to select bone. It's already selected, it's in red, and then bone constraint, and then enable this angle constraint, and then now I need just to lock it. So for this one, we will lock it, let's say around here, and let's have a look. If I go to manipulate, yes, so this is where exactly we want it. So you can lock any bone. The reason we do this, as I said, you don't want to destroy your character. For example, like this one, it goes all the way here, and you can see now the hand is not in shape. So if we lock this bone, for example, like only here, so when we rig our character, we don't face that problem. So let's lock this bone as well. Okay, so go to bone. It's already selected, then bone constraint and enable angle, and then after that, let's see, we could lock it to 50 maybe. Okay, or 45, and okay, and let's manipulate and see if what happened. Yeah, so you can see it doesn't go more, it only reaches here. Okay, so this is how you use bone constraint to lock your bone. For example, head turn. Yeah, I'm gonna click this head turn and go to bone constraint. If we did not lock this to 0 degrees here, then for example, if it was in 90 degrees or 100 degrees, whatever, like this, then when we try to do the head turn, it goes this, it does nothing. There's no function when it goes to clockwise. But if go to anti-clockwise, it does function. Okay, so to avoid this, maybe sometimes people forget, This is why we go to locate, and 0 degrees is okay. Okay. In that situation, it will not go to clockwise, but it will go to anti-clockwise. Same to this wink. We did lock it to go to clockwise, so it won't go to clockwise, but it will go to anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is how you lock your character's bone. Now go ahead and try to do this yourself. You can do, for example, with the head, because this head goes. Okay, we did lock it as well here, but any part of the body, you can go and lock that and see if it works. If it doesn't work, just put a comment, and I will be happy to help you. So again, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Until next video. Again, if you want any type of video done, please let me know. Thank you so much. Bye bye.